Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management solution designed to help businesses manage and optimize their customer interactions across various channels. It combines customer insights, sales automation, marketing tools, and service management into a single platform, enabling organizations to improve customer engagement and streamline operations. Key features: sales automation. Dynamics 365 CRM helps sales teams track leads, manage opportunities, and automate sales processes. Users can monitor the sales pipeline, manage contacts, and prioritize follow-ups based on data-driven insights. Customer service management. The CRM includes tools for managing customer inquiries, support tickets, and service requests. It allows businesses to provide personalized customer service and track service level agreements. Marketing automation. With built-in marketing capabilities, users can create, execute, and analyze marketing campaigns. Dynamics 365 enables segmentation, targeting, and personalized communications to enhance customer outreach. Integration and customization. Dynamics 365 integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products and offers extensive customization options to tailor the system to specific business needs. Analytics and reporting. The platform provides robust reporting tools and dashboards, allowing businesses to gain insights into customer behavior and sales performance, facilitating informed decision-making.